Hi, my name is Susan Witt. I'm the STEM Lab Manager at EWI. There are two different exams, the Fundamental and Technician exam. The Fundamental exam focuses more on the basics of additive manufacturing, the 7 technologies, where they're used in manufacturing, the pros and cons of each technology, whereas the Technician level exam focuses more on the methodology and processes of each of the technologies. High schools who offer the additive certificate to their students are giving them a huge competitive advantage. Students that have participated in EWI's after-school program have been able to go on to post-secondary institutions and run their school's 3D printing labs because they've been able to demonstrate that they have the knowledge to do so.